This have not been heard before in this family, or even seen. Not even in this village. Okay, well, I went too far this time around. In fact, he went beyond bounds this time around.
Nanyo Jimba, please, for Stella's sake, beg Ez and Upuka for me. Beg them to forgive. Biko kene. Hi.
Because I will not forgive. I will not take it. I will not forgive. I will not take it. Never. Who is he? Eh? Okay, what thinks because he is rich, he can do anything and get away with it. Who does that? He has belittled me too much. This time, I'm going to show him fire. Pepe. Eh? Let him step his foot into this compound again. You will see I'm going to break his legs and break his bones.
My friend, shut up. Enough of that your useless talk. What is wrong with you? Allow the sleeping dog to lie. Leave Okemwa and his demons alone.
I will not. I will wake that sleeping dog with Otali. That sleeping dog, let him come and sleep.
Your mom is right. Let us go on with the plan of Edozia's burial.
Hi.
Do not go about fomenting more troubles for us because we do not have the time or money for that.
Money for trouble will come. I will ferment that trouble and cook the trouble and give to him for him to eat. Who is he? Silly bugger like him. Don't say silly bugger like him.
Shut up! Silly bugger, silly bugger, silly bugger. Bunyana police van or Chiagi. You came back here and be talking nonsense.
Because he has money. How much does he have that I don't have?
Okay, sit down.
I will let him come back to this house again. I will show him. Who is he?
Hey.
Nonsense, silly bugger like him.
Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir.
For your transportation. Alright, I'll send your mother some more money, okay? Alright?
Sounds great.
You can go, you can go,
you
can go. Yes. Stella! Stella! Bring yourself here. Now to the crux of the reset matter. The house help is gone. So which means in turn you will take over every chore in this house. It in turn means that I must wake up to a very clean house. For emphasis, let me say it again. I will wake up every morning to a cleaner house. You will draw up a roster, a dietary plan with regards to food, of course, I will eat, okay? I will eat in the morning and then you make sure I eat in the evenings. Drop the plan and I will approve. Am I understood? Because I need you to be a wife. Am I understood?
I've heard you.
Good.
I wonder why you're doing this to me. You turn me
You can get
to
out.
slave. Please, my
Get out.
love, talk to me. One more. What is the problem? Why this hatred?
I wanted to talk to you about something.
About what?
Okay, why it's my family.
And what about them?
You have my mother, my brother and uncle locked up. What do you think people would say? That my own husband locked up my family. Okay, well, please, I'm begging you, just let them out already. Please.
What do I think people will say? Locking your family up is sweet music to my ears. They've been released.
You claim to love me. Where is the love? Go see me out. Go see me for Nanyawa. You claim to love me. Where is the love? Go see me out. Go Gosine mi funanyawo. This is not love at all. This is wickedness. You are heartless. This is not love at all. This is wickedness. You are breaking. You are heartless.
Can you imagine? Our in-law called police to arrest us. Okenwa actually called police. So, my brother, it's an abomination.
My brother, this thing is happening to me like a dream. Ever since I was giving birth to, I have never visited any police station. But today, I have been there just because of Susan's son-in-law. But thank God, we are released. What would I have told my wife? Okenwa, you have chewed more than you can swallow.
Iche, that boy is heartless.
Imagine.
That Okenwa is heartless.
Don't worry.
Children of these days, they don't have regard or respect for elders. But Obosin Tiger General Orange.
Mechaya. Ogama na. Ogama ihe dị iche nkwụ na nkwụ.
Honey, there's something very important I need to discuss with you.
If you want to talk.
So my family members had a meeting yesterday, and they've decided to bury my father immediately to cut costs.
Very good.
So every member of the family is required to bring a certain amount of money, and my own share is 300,000 naira.
300,000 naira.
Yes.
Did you tell them you're working?
No, but
You're a common housewife. Common housewife. That's who you are. That's what you are. What are we talking about here? That is your office. Common housewife. Listen, not like it's any of my business, okay? You can go on, sell anything you want to sell to take care of your father's burial, but not anything I bought with my own money, okay?
Okay, well, it's my father that is to be buried here. All I'm asking is 300,000 naira. Please, I'm begging you.
And I'm telling you I don't have money. What is this? I mean, you have a brother, don't you? I'm not Chimso. I mean, you saw the way he was challenging me. He raised the weapon, to hit me. So what are we talking about here? That kind of person should also be able to raise his family money for his father's burial. I don't have money. I don't have money.
Ichenjigo, Aginine Wagiwe, Wanuma, Ichenjigo, baby Ichenjigo, Yawe Chenjie, Aginine Wagiwe, Anamaginabi, Gini Kameragi, Aginine Wagi.
Yeah? There's something I want to ask of you.
What is it?
I need some money.
You need some money. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Dear, Ugo is greeting you.
I don't need his greeting. He's a madman. What is good about his greeting? If there's nothing else good or important for us to discuss, we can as well go. In fact, go. You people should go.
I don't understand, though. I paid you rent. I came to collect the receipt of the rent I paid. Or do you want me to show you the proof of payment?
Hey!
When did you pay that? Ugo, but we have not received any alert.
Hey! Mba, I received alert. Yes, I received. Okay, please, quickly go inside. Go and bring the booklet, receipt booklet. Let me sign for him. Don't keep the gentleman waiting. He's a gentleman. Yes. Ugo? Yes, you're a gentleman. Yes. How is work going now?
Work is fine. Just be fast. I don't more time.
I know. Okay, please. He's a gentleman. I trust him. Yes.
Our wife, where is Stella? Why is she not here? The burial is few days from now. And why is the Ada of this family not in this meeting?
Ndidim, I don't know what to say again. We have called Stella for several times, but she said that her husband has not given her time or permission to come.
Now, when does he intend to release her for the burial? As the Ada of the family, she has an important role to play in her father's burial. So what are we saying?
People should see it. Our Okenwa has insulted his family so much, and I have tolerated him so much. I have tolerated his excesses, and I will not tolerate it again.
Munachi, calm down. We will send words to our in-law. Just calm down.
Send words to your in-law. I will send words to my own side. I know what to do. While you are sending words to your own in-law, I will send words to my own in-law. I know what to do. Because Okenwa, he has beaten more than he can chew. And I will make him vomit that thing, since he cannot chew it.
Bikun, calm down. Please, allow the elders to handle this.
Mama,
you know how he behaves.
Mama, this exactly what Papa said when Papa was alive. That gave Okenwa the wings to fly around this family like a wizard. You see that wings? I will cut it off. And he will fall down and I will kubo you. Are you catching up? How much does he have? Is he richer than me? Is he richer than me in future?
In future? Not now.
Mama, I will be rich in future. When I will be rich in future, I will be richer than him.
Hey, landlord, now you've come. Look at it now. All right, thank you, sir.
Dear, I thought you said Ugo has not paid his rent. How come he paid? I am not aware. Or are you hiding something from me?
Oh, no, now, what are you insinuating? How could I possibly be hiding something from you? I'm 8 years, Nishi.
Yes, you are. You are hiding plenty things, like Ugo's payment. I
don't understand. I don't understand what you're saying.
Since he has paid for his rent, you cannot give me the money I asked for. To add to my business,
If I have money in this house and I don't want to bring it out, anything you like, let it happen to me. You know me very well. I don't have shishi in this house.
What did you then do with the rent he paid? Wait a minute. Look, I hope you have not started visiting that pool house again, no? Are you walking out on me? It's a lie, I need that money.
You just got back and you're going out again.
Of course I have an emergency. What is it?
Are you coming back tonight?
No, I'm not.
A date for my father's burial has been fixed and I'm yet to go to the village. The elders have been asking about me and...
Listen, tell them you're not coming. You understand me? Tell them you're not coming. I mean, what is all this? Is this why you stopped me? Because of your stupid family? Listen, let the dead bury the dead. Yes, I said so. Let the dead bury the dead. Because as far as I'm concerned, everybody in that family is dead. Nobody's living. You understand me? Because, of course, you people lack money. Let the dead bury the dead. You're not going anywhere. That's what I said, and that's simple, and that's on period.
Okay, but I am the adult of the family.
Hey, my friend.
Hey, you! Come here. Nzeli.
Sir!
Listen, this woman must not leave this compound. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
I said this woman must not leave this compound.
Again?
Are you stupid?
Hey, madam, what happened?
Do I have your kidney with you? Get out.
I can't believe this. This is happening to me, yeah. What kind of life is this? What have I done to you? Baby, why this sudden change? My love, you are breaking my heart.
Don't welcome me. Don't welcome me. I am not here for friendly visit. I'm here with a warning. I came here with a parcel of warning for you to send to your son in the city.
What is it this time?
Tell your son to release my sister from the nonsense he called marriage for that bondage. Eh? Who does that? Okay, see me.
My in-law, calm down.
Tell your son to release my sister for her to come for my father's burial. Else, what I will do? Failure to do so. Failure to do so.
No.
I'm talking it now. You think I'm joking? Failure to do so. Heads will roll.
Okay, one will allow Stella to attend her father's burial, to pay him his last respect.
Can you imagine?
Hey.
A woman will not attend her father's burial because she's in nonsense marriage. What kind of nonsense marriage is that?
Don't call it.
Silly marriage.
No.
Silly burger marriage.
It has not gotten to this.
It has. Oh.
No, calm down.
See, I came here myself because so that you will see the anger, the venom in me, so that you will send the message to your son. Tell him, if you try me, heads will roll, including your own and his own. I'm telling you, tell your son, because next time I will come, I will not sit down. Because you are an old woman, that's why I pity you and sat down. I'll start from the sink, start destroying. No, I don't like this kind of fungo. What kind of fungo is this? Fungo is middle. This kind of fungo is nonsense middle. What is all this? He will know why they call me Munachi. So, and next time I'll come here, you will see.
Calm down.
Mama, Munachimso is lucky. He is so lucky I didn't get to that village while he was there. He's lucky I was never in that village. Oh my God, oh my God. I would have shot his 2 feet and made sure the 2 feet are broken. Yes, gone for good. Of course. Mama, forget that boy. Forget him. Who is he? He can't do anything. He can't do more than a dead rat. He can't do more than a hanging pants. Who is he? Listen, Mama. By the time I'm done with him, which is, of course, I'll put him beneath my feet, then I will take him to jail. Then when he gets to jail, I'll pay people to properly take care of him in the worst cell. Yes, I'll do that. Mama, please forget about that nitwit. That is a low life. That is a nobody. Please, please, Mama, please don't bore me today. How are you? Yes. Good. Good. That's what I want to hear, not Munachim. So who is he? It's a low life. Yes.
Honey, you're back.
No. No, I'm not back. In front of you and you're asking me a stupid question. I am running. I'm on the field.
Welcome.
I'm hungry.
Oh, that I am. I already served your food. It's on the dining table.
Now listen. The way I was groomed and trained is to eat freshly made hot food.
It's not been long I served the food, and the dishes are those one type of dishes, so it's still, I'm very sure the food is still hot.
Woman, the way I was trained is to eat freshly made hot food, which means that you have to go to that kitchen, get me freshly made hot food, okay? Go to the kitchen, warm that food again, put it in a proper dish befitting of course, the person you call your husband, who is the person who harbours you here, all right? Put it there before I get back from removing my dress. Am I understood? Freshly made hot food on the dining table. And I expect you to do the needful, else.
Darling, I expected you to act like a landlord. But no, you sounded like a scared child. Kanjukeneke, are you scared of Ugochukwu?
I've told you before now. Ugochukwu is a bad market. You don't expect me to go that far with him.
Look, honey, you are the landlord of this compound. If your terms and conditions does not suit him, then he should pack and go. Or can he be fenka? Why are you scared of him?
Have you lost it? How many times have I told you that this boy is not who you think he is? Why are you accusing me falsely? Have I not warned you severally that I am not scared of Ugochukwu? He's a dangerous lion. How do you expect somebody who is highly knowledgeable to go and banter words with an illiterate, a stark one for that matter? People that are mentally challenged, handicapped like him, are treated differently. You don't just move straight like that. You must prounce and then carefully pray before you hunt. Don't you get it? Oh, you expect me to face Ugochukwu face to face? Ha! Is that how poor your mental horizon is? Cheru, back manager. Hello, manager. No. I am preparing to. In fact, I am already prepared. It's just that I am having a tete-a-tete with my wife. But of course, I am coming in a jiffy. No, don't go to break yet. Okay, you know what? Yes, go to break. Before you come back to the office, I will be in the office. But no, I will just be careful on the road because of Fumu. Let them not bash my car. It's a new car. Of course, everything will be done. I trust you. With the tips, I will give it to you. I'm coming. We will ratify it. Of course, I will give you tips. I know you very well. I'm on my way. Definitely on my way. How? Bank manager. Let me go and ratify that issue. Ega so. Ego so. Iribezenon. Etabazia.
That is why you're my darling.
Okay.
Oh, honey, you're out here already. What is going on here? Who is this young man and what is he doing here?
Oh yes, him. He's your escort and forget about his real name. He's known as Accident in the police force. Yes, he will escort you to the village and back.
This must be some sort of joke, right?
Oh, no, it's not. You see, I'm no fool, okay? Now, Accident here will escort you to the village and bring you back safely to this house, except if you don't want it to be safe. So please ensure that there is no rancor of some sort, no chaos of some sort, because trust me when I say he has been mandated from the highest authority to shoot at sight. He doesn't account for bullets, and for your own interest, don't let him use his toy. Safe journey.
Okay. Can we?
I'm not smiling with you. I don't want to see you anywhere around me.
I was just instructed.
I don't want to see you anywhere. I said I don't want to see you anywhere around me.
Madam, I'm just doing my job. I'm being instructed. I'm just doing my job. Let's go.
Mr. Man, I don't want to see you anywhere around me. Can you go back?
Yes, Dr. Chris, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes. You see, anytime I see you, I expect some kind of positive update. So, what do you have for me?
Yes, we have a demand from Senator Ndukwe asking for a fresh kidney for his 25-year-old son, urgently.
You say fresh?
Yes, fresh.
Urgent?
Yes.
How urgent?
Very urgent. Very, very urgent.
Okay. Good. Of course, you're not new to us in business, so trust me when I say we will deliver. But again, I'm sure you have been informed with regards to the new pricing for fresh kidneys. Because considering logistics and how cumbersome it gets to get these kidneys.
Yes, I'm totally aware of all that. And that is not a problem at all. Yes.
Good man. So I will not waste your time, but I will tell you that definitely we'll get back to you in due course, okay?
Okay. Thank you. So I have to take my leave now.
Yes. Regards to the senator. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
Yes, there's a fresh demand for fresh kidney. Very urgent. I need it as soon as possible. And when I mean as soon as possible, I mean sooner than possible. Get to work.
The accident, coincidence, or whatever they call you. Can you shift a bit so that I can have a proper discussion with my mother?
It's not possible, madam. I'm just doing my job.
Oh, you are doing your job?
Yeah.
You're being paid to listen to the conversation I have with my mom.
Not just that. I'm even paid to watch who you talk to, what you eat, whatsoever you do.
Yeah.
You're a madman. You are mad. You and whoever that has contracted you for this job are mad. So you are saying that I cannot have a heart-to-heart discussion with my daughter in my own house? Madam Mwevu, normal privacy. Nabia. Stella.
Mama.
Is this what you are going through in Okenwa's house?
This is the list.
He turned you into a maid.
I am a prisoner right in my own husband's house.
Police Eliza.
I'm doing my job, madam.
So this is what you're going through?
Mama, I've been going through worse situation. This is even minor. This is minor.
Hey! Mwa mebi oko. Mwa mebi oko no. Iru moto jukwale juma na mada anoria. Why break na mad? Oh, you can't drink water in my house.
Even the spit I'm trying to swallow, I have to be mindful of the way I swallow my spit. In my husband's house.
Yay! Delu, let me come.
Oga, shift now.
Madam.
Shift. At least I'm not here with anybody. I'm not having any conversation with anybody. I'm alone. Shift and let me see air.
The same contract, madam.
Same
I'm doing my job.
Which job? Let them robber come here now if you won't take off.
I have my magazine.
Bro, so magazine or newspaper. Allah.
Ugo, my brother. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Okay.
Are you going out?
Of course, I'm going to the bank to rectify my bank account. I have problem with it. Yes.
With the car?
Of course, with my car.
Galalo, you know why I'm asking is because I want to make use of this car today.
What?
Yeah, I want to make use of the car today now.
You want to make use of my car?
Yes, because you know that receipt I told you that time in my phone.
No. You can make use of my car. I can trade. Of course. I wanted to inquire very well whether you want to make use of it. When I was in Zakibiam, we used to trek 100 miles away from where we settled.
You're happy, Nabi?
Of course.
You're happy?
From my smile.
I know you're happy now. Okay, landlord.
Ugo.
Okay, landlord. Landlord, if you open gate for me,
Okay, the gate.
open the gate, yes.
Okay.
How are you doing? How is family?
Fine. How may I help you, please?
Me and my friend, we are strangers here. Please, we are looking for this address.
Okay.
You know that address.
Done? Good. Good. Very good. Dr. Chris will be with you soon. I'll give him a call. Yes, doctor. Hope you're doing well. Of course, I have good news for you. You can proceed to the warehouse. Yes, your consignments are waiting. Yes, so go on, choose from the lot the fresh kidney that suits the blood group you desire. Always a pleasure doing business with you. Always. More business to come, definitely. Very good.
Mommy, kí ló ń ṣe yín now? Why this kind of look on your face? I expect something better than this now. Enjoy yourself. You cannot continue to carry Nigerian problems on your head. You know that problem not the finish for this life what we did. Enjoy your life now that you are alive and that you are healthy.
Babajide.
Egbon.
The situation that I am into is like I am inside my sitting room watching TV with my remote and I am pressing forward. You are pressing automatic replay. You will not understand. You will not.
Bombi, how do you want me to understand when you do not tell me what the problem is? What is it? I am with you.
Babajide.
Yes?
It is a tenant. One tenant that is like a problematic circuit.
Oh, wow.
If that person now goes to America, they will deport him. If he goes to Australia, just at the departure, they will reject his passport. If it is in Turkey, they will put him in a mosque for 1 week under probation before they will deport him. One useless boy in my compound as a tenant. Hey!
Egbon. Oh. Egbon. So it is because of a tenant, one useless tenant, that has put you in this kind of situation. A tenant can never give me headache in my own house. Ma beg you, Funi. I will quit that tenant with immediately effect, an automatic calamity. How can the tenant give me problem in the house that I use my hard-earned money to build? Oh, Yawereni.
Babajide.
Koleshisha.
I have told you before, you will not understand. Just let me order for drinks. I'm still in the thinking mood.
Egbon.
Bring more drinks for him.
Egbon, listen to me. There is no problem with that solution. A minimum bed. There is no problem with that solution. Bring your mind down. You have me, Babajide. I'm at your back.
Dear. You said what?
There is no problem with our solution. Listen to me. If a bird thinks he can fly in the air and not perch, you see the hunter that is holding the ibon. You know ibon? To bring that bird down. What is it?
Babajide, dear.
That case is a very small case, Ojari. Trust me.
Hey!
Who do you say this man is?
Ezuruonye! Since morning, he's been standing here, Nesogally still like a dog in heat.
I have pleaded with you severally to stand outside and wait. You would not listen. This is my father's house. Am I running anywhere? Stay outside and wait for me, Simumba. You are doing your job. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to have to go.
Also?
You have to go before I react. I will react.
Oga react.
Stella, tell your bodyguard to leave. I'll react.
Ogariat.
I'll react.
Ogariat. Yeah. You will not withstand his reaction.
Mama.
He's coming, oh. He's coming, oh. Tell him I come on, she's saying, oh. He's coming.
Go. Come on, fight. Don't fight. No, fight, go on.
He doesn't come.
Don't fight.
What the hell is wrong with you? You want to shoot my brother? Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Okay, mama.
Said it, he will always put the door to back at me. Eh? I don't know what this young man thinks. Ugo! Very soon I will send this idiot back with this dog.
Landlord, good evening.
Sorry, I didn't mean to disturb your peace. Were you sleeping?
I was almost dozing off.
Oh, sorry. I came to check on Ugo. Is Ugo around?
No, Ugo is not around.
Hey.
Any problem?
So, where did he go by this time of the night? So he's not back?
No, he's not back. He traveled to the village. Is there a problem?
So Ugo traveled to the village with my car? Oh. So when is he coming back?
He didn't tell me when he'll be coming back.
Right.
He didn't mention.
Sorry. You were almost sleeping when.
Yes.
Sorry. You can go back. I came to check on you. I mean, Ugo. Yes, Ugo.
Good night.
Yes, sir. Have you seen your goods? Yes, sir. Perfect match? Yes, sir. Same blood group? Yes, sir. You like them? Yes, sir. It's a perfect match, sir. Good. What next? I'll just proceed to surgery immediately. Good luck. All right, sir. I have another client who wants fresh, and I want them delivered in 4 days. Can you boys deliver?
Boss, our work. I must surely deliver.
We are at your service.
And when I say 4 days, I mean 4 days on the dot. Am I understood?
No shipping. No shipping, boss.
Where's Bucci?
They're outside.
I said, where is Bucci?
He's outside.
Call the nitwit.
Okay, boss.
Obioma, please, beg your son to leave my son alone. If he doesn't want to marry Stella again, he should send her home. Does he want to kill my son? Eh? Can I keep on the talks? They are beating my son in my own house. Eh? If he does not want to marry Stella again, he should send Stella to me. I'm gonna butter my daughter. I did not sell my daughter. Biko.
What is the cause of all this? Okay, one has changed though. This is not the son that I gave birth to. Eh? What has come over him?
Go to my house now. Your son Okenwa has turned my house into police barrack. Beating my children, following my daughter up and down. Hey. Eh? What is the meaning of that? Hey. They should not just allow the children that lost their father to rest. Mahilo,
I'm very sorry. Eh? Okay, one has changed.
What have I done wrong?
Don't worry. Calm down. I will talk to him. Oh? I will talk to him.
I am begging you, please. Talk to him.
I will definitely talk to him.
Talk to him.
Don't worry.
Call him now. Call him to send those talks out.
Yes, I will do that.
Eh? Turn all of my house to police barrack.
I will talk to him.
My house, I want police barrack. My children blue black.
What is all this? Eh? Every week, one trouble. What has Okenwa turned to? Hi.
Be careful, you get hurt if you keep trying.
Where am I? Where is this place?
You've been kidnapped, just like all of us.
That can't be possible. It's not possible. I can't be kidnapped. I'm on my way to my... Who are you? Leave me alone. Who are you? What am I doing here? Talk to me. Who are you? Please talk to me. What am I doing here? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Madam, there's an order from above. We have to go now. Your husband needs you at home.
Bia, are you blind? And why are you so rude, if I may ask? Can't you see I'm having a conversation with my mother?
Madam, with an immediate effect. We have to go now.
Oh, please just shut up.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry for your silly self.
Let's go, madam.
I need to go.
Come and go.
If you go near, you have seen what I've been saying. I need to go. I'll talk to you later. What?
Don't forget to...
Mama, I would not forget. I would.
Take your food. If you like, you eat. Okay? I'm not looking at your ugly faces. Now.
I'm not hungry.
How much do you intend to go on hunger strike? Eat something for your health, please.
I'm not hungry. I just want to go. I want to go.
You want to go home, but you need to eat.
I can't eat this food. I'd rather die.
I am your guy. You know I cannot hide anything from you. Show me the way. Just show me the... Look at the car you parked. Show me the way.
Guys.
Mona, you two they rush things.
They say slow and steady wins the race. How about you head?
See, I cannot wait later. You don't know, you will not understand how urgent this thing is. I need to make money today and tomorrow so that I can take care of my mother and surprise my in-law. That my in-law, he has insulted us so much, so I need to shock him. I need to shock him and shut him up.
See, I know all that. But you see here, you are here to drink. Forget about your in-law, just drink and be happy.
Drink, Kini. Oh, computer. Eh? So, the kind of first you and I are, you're only giving me drink. You're not showing me the way, you show me the drink. Okay? Show me the way.
Drink and be happy.
If you want to show me, I'll go to the city myself.
Where? You go where?
I will go to the city myself.
Oh, but be happy, be happy.
Muna, when did you return?
Mama, it's been long. How are you?
I should be asking you how are you, and not you. This one you're shaking your leg. What is the problem?
Mama, is my name not Munachi?
Yes.
Mama,
Your name is Munachi. Your father and
so.
I gave you the name.
I don't think so. I don't think that Munachi Mukasu. Never. It's either my chi has gone ahead of me, or I'm still behind, or I have gone ahead of my chi. It's either my chi is in Lagos now, I'm still in the village. Because I cannot understand why my life is going in a aeroplane tunnel. And you're telling me that my name is Munachi. Munachi Mesurokwa. It's either my chi has run out and disappeared, because we cannot eat together again.
What nonsense are you talking about? Eh? Munachi, your father and I gave you that name. Ginachigeso. Why would you be talking nonsense? Who is feeding you with all this rubbish? How can you be saying that you and your chi are not in the same space?
Mama, we are no longer, you can't you see?
When you blue chooser or babu also.
Exactly, Mama. Exactly. This is my point. Eh? When you blue chooser or babu also. The blue chimoso mana. Chima abakanego also.
What can feature porno?
Chima abakanism no. Can't you see? We are no longer eating together. Why is my life turning like a aeroplane tunnel? Eh?
Working about boom boom again.
Yes.
You work on lever. Okay. Everything will be fine.
When?
When the time is due.
Next week. Let it be next week, because if this refuses to be fine next week, I'll kill myself. Eh? Yes, now. Is this life?
Is this life? You're still breathing. Or can you go and hospital?
I'm not breathing. I'm not breathing. This is not breathing.
Can you put it again? you.
What is it, woman? That I picked my phone that fell off? Is that why I should be ashamed of myself?
Hey, I am not surprised. I heard your father died on top of a woman. Do not allow what killed your father to kill you, Theophilus.
I don't think you know what you're saying. Now tell me, where is it against the law that when somebody's phone falls, you shouldn't pick it? Now tell me, if it is outlaw that I can't pick my phone again. It is you that I say, hey, whoa, because the sun has hit so hard on your brain that you don't know the left and right of what you should say and what not to say.
No, bend down very well and pick your phone. Bend and pick the phone.
No, stand up erect. Stand and shout on top of your voice against your husband.
What is so good about the afternoon? Mba, pick the phone now.
Mba, stand up and shout. You want me to banter words with you? No, I am far above that. The sun is too harsh. That my phone fell, I want to pick my phone, then it's shame on me in Nigeria that I can't pick my phone. No, if it is a war or a crime, don't worry. Let it be a crime. That's why you don't know the left and right. Sorry. Sorry, man. I said sorry. Sorry. I forgot my card. I would have dealt with you there. Sorry. Sorry. I said you must leave this house. You must leave my house. You must leave. Two bulls will not drink from the same bucket. Leave this.
Please, my dear.
I said you must leave. Two bulls will not drink from the same bucket because they will always flock on. For that reason, you are leaving.
Please, my love. I didn't mean to say all that. I am sorry. Bikon, oh.
I have had enough of you. You will go to the village and stay there.
Honey, I'm sorry for what I said about your father. I was angry. That was why I said so. Please don't send me to the village. Bikon, oh.
You see what I put inside that bag? That is your transportation fare to the village. Go to the village. If I see you here in the town, except I am the one who invited you. I don't want to see you here.
My love, how do you expect me to go to the village and meet your 3 wives? And you know very well they don't like me. Please don't send me to the village.
Make them 4 there. Go to the village and make them 4. Number 4. And make sure you make them your friends this time around.
Honey, sweetie,
don't worry.
Honey, hey.
Stop to honey me this time around.
You become one kegi, oh.
Honey,
my
you're not come.
Hey.
You see how you
darling.
Who is your darling? Who is your darling? You are lambasting me and lambasting my father. Yeah, what wrong? Benedict, what wrong?
Bikon, oh, it is me, oh, your one and only.
I'm married to 4 wives. I have you 4 there. In fact, I will even marry more and make them 5.
My love, Bikon.
I will come with you for you. I will come with you for you.
Honey, I'm going, oh.
Okay, better.
Hey.
Okay. What?
Honey.
Yeah, okay, she's leaving. Okay. Okay, don't worry. I can win number there. Na nke nwanyị na-akụ azụ ebe anyị na-eri na-aṅụkọ na-atakọ. Yes, in the evening.
My God, see, it's not fair. You and Brenda just forgot me. Even for my father's burial, you didn't come. What happened?
It's not the way you say.
We don't have time.
We don't have time. We have to go.
Are you stupid?
We have to go, madam.
What do you mean we have to go? Can't you see I'm talking to somebody?
Madam, no, I don't do things on my own. I'm under instructions. We have to buy and go.
Please just keep quiet. Let me finish talking to one. I'm talking to another. You have to go. You have to go. Are you a robot?
Hey, you! Come on! Leave there. I'll shoot you.
What is wrong with you? Why are you harassing me this way?
Madam, let's go. Let's go. We don't have time.
What do you mean we don't have time? I'm just saying hi to a friend. Are you a mad person?
Madam, it's an order. Let's go, madam.
You know what? It's okay. I'll call you.
Are you now in prison or something?